All right, so today I'm going to be working on the doghouse. And what I'm going to do is I got to build a spot for this to rest on because right now it's just sitting in there. So I'm going to take some angle iron and I'm going to mount it on the sides. So I'll take some angle like this and I'll mount it at the appropriate height so that that doghouse just falls right onto it. And once I do that, then I'm going to work the front structure and try to get the cross members that the doghouse smashes into. I don't know how far I'll get. Let's see what happens.
Alright, so here you go. I removed that steering wheel, and yes, I'm voicing over today. Trying to clamp this stuff in there. Not as easy as it looks. It's really fast. See me using my fancy hammer and my incredible working shoes. I've had people complain that I'm not very safe. I don't know what they're talking about. Sparks always hit you in the face when you work. So, here you go. Now I'm going to be welding. Look at that. Mad skills of welding. Boom. Cutting and cutting. I tried to actually cut on camera so you can see me. It's kind of cool looking. Yeah, you can see I put a lot of effort into this, trying to make it look right. A lot of time. And ta-da! Kind of works. Kind of get the front lined up. I just welded on little pieces. Tried to make sure they look good and straight, and boom, then the hit. And I gotta get the uprights at the angle, so I notch this so it fits behind a little bit and sits flush. That way it's a little bit flatter surface. And of course, cut off that angle so I can weld it on. And I struggled trying to figure out how to hold this because, well, you couldn't really clamp it. You couldn't really, I don't know, I need friends. I don't have any friends. So, got the other side going, trying to get the angles. Boom, boom, boom. Cut it, notch it. Get it set, looking okay. Cut the angle, boom, boom. Get it going. So this is basically, the doghouse has to hit something. And so I'll have in a bead at the end of it, like a rubber gasket, and this will clamp to the front firewall. So I got to build all this so I can build the firewall and then finish this. So yeah. This is all firewall stuff. You can see at this wonderful spot, I need a metal stretcher. I put the little metal stretcher in there, get it ready. How do you see me stretching metal? I figure I designed it to have a hole through, of course. I would never make a mistake and cut it too short. That would be ridiculous. But yeah, I did a bunch of work. Me working. This is me praying to the mail truck. Oh, mail truck. I'm actually using my helmet welding hood. A lot of people made fun of me in the comments saying, hey, where's your helmet? Well, after burning my face a couple times, I use a helmet. Don't worry. It's really hard. I don't know if you guys ever do this when you're welding and doing stuff. It'll just take a second, and then 4 hours later, you're all sunburnt from welding. But either way, let me know what you guys think. Getting this all trimmed up, trying to get the gap good. Overall, I'm loving how this is coming together. What do you guys think? Does it look good? Let me check my phone. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Tell me what you think. Does this look right? Does it look bad? Does it look... I don't know. I'm just building it. And I'm thinking it looks cool, but I don't know. You guys let me know. I'll let you finish up this little bit, and then I'll explain what I did, and we should be good to go.
All right, so there you go. I trimmed this up a little. I got that front A-frame thing built. Doesn't look like a whole lot, but it took quite a bit of time. So now I got to go on a date, which is nice. But I'll come back and work on this some more and try to get the bracing in this built so that it's not so wobbly, and then trim it up to where it fits in there good, and I should be good. Thank you for watching. See you next time.